Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sunil Kumar, Assistant Professor Khalsa College Patiala. So today I'm going to discuss with terms related to agronomy. This is the part one of the video. First of all, what is agronomy? Agronomy is derived from two Greek words. First is agros, meaning field, and nomos meaning management. The principles of agronomy deal with scientific facts in relation to environment in which crops are produced. It deals with the production of various crops, which includes food crops, fodder, fiber crop, sugar crop, oil seeds, etc. Basically, it is a branch of agriculture science which deals with principles and practices of soil, water, and crop management. So, our next term is crop rotation. So, crop rotation is the growing of different crops on a piece of land in a pre-planned succession. Land is fixed, but crop is rotated year after year. Basically, in crop rotation, we introduce legume crops to it to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and it maintains and improves soil fertility, particularly with the introduction of legume crops. Next term is cropping pattern. So yearly sequence and spatial arrangement of crops and fallow on given area. In other words, type and arrangement of crops in time and space. The next term is cropping system. Pattern of crops taken up for a given piece of land or order in which the crops are cultivated on piece of land over a fixed period, and the interaction with farm resources and other farm enterprises and available technology which determine their makeup. The next is farming system. Farming system, it is a we can say appropriate combination of farm enterprises, particularly cropping system, livestock, fisheries, forestry, poultry, beekeeping, mushroom cultivation, and so many others, and the means available to the farmer to raise them for profitability. Next is monocropping. As the term defines itself, a system of growing the same crop on the same land year after year. It is also called as. Next is intercropping. It is also self-disciplinary. It refers to growing of two or more crops, or we can say dissimilar crops, simultaneously on the same piece of land with definite row arrangement or in a fixed ratio is called. So next is mixed cropping. In this type of cropping, two or more crops are sown simultaneously on the same land without definite row pattern or fixed ratio. Sowing of seed is generally done by broadcasting method and commonly practiced in dryland area of India. Basically, in this type of cropping system, we mix the seed before sowing and broadcasting to the field. Its main objective is to lessen the risk of crop failure and to satisfy the farmer's requirement. Like that, if one cropping intensity, it is the ratio between total cropped area and actual net cultivated area expressed in percentage and can be calculated by the formula total cropped area in a year divided by net cultivated area multiplied by 100. Next is dryland agriculture. Dryland agriculture is defined as the cultivation of crop in those areas which entirely depend on rain-fed condition. It is divided into three types. First is dry farming. Uh, Dry farming is the where annual rainfall is less than 750 mm and crop failure due to prolonged dry season is a very common practice, and it is practiced in arid regions with the help of moisture conservation practices. Second is dryland farming, where annual rainfall is in between 750 to 1150 mm, and practiced in semi-arid regions. Third one is rain-fed farming, where annual rainfall is more than 1150 mm, and it is practiced in the humid regions. Thank you. That's for that's all for part 1.